How to build passive income. Here's a secret. Don't aim for passive income. Passive income is for broke and poor people who are just getting started and want to make money. You see, if you want to drive a Ferrari, if you have an 11-bedroom home, if you want to become a multimillionaire, then here's the secret. Focus on leverage income. And let me share a story with you. There was one lady in the US, I read it in a book. She was passionate about chocolates and she wanted to build business around chocolates. What did she do? She had no money. She went and borrowed a brand and convinced them to use their logo, and she went and borrowed money from the investor, and they invested in the business, and she became a multimillionaire. She never thought, oh, let me build a passive business. These new concepts of make money from books, make money from affiliate marketing, it is good. But here's the thing, it will not make you a millionaire. Just from my example, from my 2 books that I have, 80% Mindset, 20% Skills, and 600 Days a Week, we made about 20 lakhs in 2021 so far in just 8 months. But that is still a chump change as compared to 20 crores that we generate in business. It may be a big amount, 20 lakhs, but if you look at a bigger scheme of thing, it is a pocket change. It does not let me drive this. So here's a suggestion for all the youngsters. If you want to become rich, if you want to become wealthy, stop looking for shortcuts or passive income and focusing on baby money. Do something real, add a lot of value to people, create something substantial in business. That will make you a multi-millionaire. So don't chase passive income. Build your leverage income. And if there are multiple income streams that you can build, and if you're really, really serious, if you want to learn more, check out the link or leave a comment below and join the masterclass, Quit 9 to 5 and Build a Business Around Passion. This is Dave Gadvi. I will see you in the webinar. Take care and God bless you.